What up guys? Welcome to Jacks Off to another adventure. So for the past week here in Bangkok, I've been staying at this hotel, the Maitria Hotel, for 69 bucks a night for this room. So I'm gonna give you guys a real quick room tour, show you guys what 69 bucks can get you here in Bangkokers. So here is the door you enter, not much. Here's the AC unit. I like it cold. Let's turn it to 20 degrees Celsius. Once you walk in, you have this blue Patrick shaped couch with a turquoise pillow. For comfort, you get a little working station here, desk. You get a dual lamp for better mood lighting. And then the way to close it, you gotta kick it off here. So let's go straight to the room. First, you have this nice Siam Thai style decor with this monkey. They call it the monkey. And then here's the bed. Check this out. And they just made it for me today. I just got back. It's nice already, but they were nice enough to make my room for me. And they have this blue theme going on. And I checked already. There's no Jesus, there's no Buddha, but I really like the color of it. I don't mind if it's blue. You know, I like red, but sometimes blue helps you sleep too. So here's the living room, I guess. The TV that's right in front of the bed. Best setup. A lot of times they put the TV somewhere like not aligned with the bed to make it, I don't know why they do that. And here's my workstation. I've been working out here on my laptop for the past few nights. And check it out, another dual lamp setting. Ooh, I actually very like this as a picture too. Of course, the blue chair is not that comfy, but it works. You can also adjust these lamps. And check it out. For the outlets, plenty of outlets. They also have USB here as well. Here's the view. By the way, I booked, it's called the City View Deluxe, I think. And with the magic of editing, now you see it during the daytime, which is way better than nighttime. All right, and then you can do a semi, I don't even know what this is, but you can let light come in or you can go completely blackout. It really works. Every morning I wake up, I wish I sleep longer, but you know, got stuff to do. And check it out, the backlighting from this display right here. There's a lot of light here, so hopefully the GoPro will work out. If not, sorry, I'm too lazy to switch it to my room. So check it out. Here's the toilet room. You got the toilet, you got a little garbage can, and you got your aspirator, the bidet. And what I really like about this is even though it's a separate bathroom slash shower room, they have a sink for you. Sometimes shit happens and you know, you wipe too hard or something, you just want to wash your hands. So right here, you can get out. After you do your business, you can wash your hands before, you know, touching anything else, like the handle. All right. Here we have kind of like the kitchenette portion of it. So these are mine. Upon arrival at the hotel, actually gave me this. I haven't had the chance to eat it yet. Some pineapple cake. You know what? Let's do it right now. So pineapple cake. It's kind of salty. But anyway, these are ours. Oh, I feel so rude like chewing and talking, but they replenish water twice a day. But they give you 2 bottles every day, so I have plenty of water here. Here's the fridge. I gotta finish this by today. More water. These, they charge you for that, and yeah. Here you have some drawers, they're empty. All these drawers here are empty, so it really feels more like a home and stuff. And here you have a hanging closet, I guess. This is the robe. Don't mind my mess. Nope. Here are the towels. And you have a safe here. And you have even more drawers. This is for your laundry, but there's a laundry mat really close by, so you don't have to do hotel laundry. They charge you hell of money for that stuff. Another drawer to put your stuff. And then check out the sink. The blue theme. I have never seen a sink like this before, not even like at a home, let alone a hotel. And here's me, guys. Woohoo! The one thing about the sink I don't like is it doesn't really filter that good. They should have, you know, fixed the slope a little bit more. But yeah, you got your amenities, you got everything you really need. And here's another mirror. Woo, what's up, guys? And check it out, here's the shower. Let me back up first. And let me ease into the shower. So that's my loofah, and here's my stuff. I gotta say, this is the first hotel I've ever been to that does not give you shampoo, so I gotta buy my own. This is the body wash. And you can actually open up the window, but mosquitoes might fly in, so let me close that in. I'm a huge mosquito magnet. There we go. So yeah, like I mentioned before, this is the Maitria hotel, and it cost me 69 bucks a night for this room right here. I'm sure you can find a better deal, but I just could not resist 69. So there you have it, guys. A $69 room here in Bangkok, Thailand by the RCA. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If not, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, Jack's off.